Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be taking a look at Lasfit's new floor mats. I have a 23 Colorado, and if you guys follow the channel, you guys might know that back in September of 2023, well, you guys probably don't know that, but for my 23 Colorado, I purchased the AAA liner floor mats. They're an all-weather mat, and I had them in my previous vehicle as well, my 2020 Telluride. Overall, I've enjoyed the quality, the fit and finish of them. I've had really good experiences with them. I work on tons of vehicles every single week, and one mat that I cannot stand is the WeatherTech mats. I don't know if they try to do too much because they try to cover more area to protect it. Well, I don't personally like it. They're more of a rubber compound, so they tend to absorb more dirt and grime and greases and things. And a lot of the edges aren't double rolled, so they tend to deform and kind of curl up, and I personally just do not care for WeatherTech mats. If that's what you have and you've enjoyed them, more power to you. As long as you're happy, that's what matters. I personally have had really good experiences with the AAA liners, and Lasfit reached out and was wondering if I would do a comparison of their new all-weather mats to the AAA liners. So I figure I'll do a video for you guys so you guys can kind of get a better comparison and you guys can decide which one is more your style. So I'll show you guys a clip of the AAA liners in my truck right now. Then I'll bring one of them inside and set it next to the Lasfit liners so you guys can kind of see them next to each other. Then we'll get the new ones installed, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I will also have a discount code for the Lasfit ones down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so I'm just going to quickly show you the AAA liners installed in the truck before I take them out, and I'll bring them inside and compare them. Don't judge, it's wintertime, and right now is the best time I have to record this because all the snow's gone, even though it's snowing right now. I like the design. They have great coverage. The material is really good. It's very durable. Doesn't get in the way of the pedals or anything like that. Snaps down in place real nice. Yes, I know they're dirty. I don't wash my truck too much in the wintertime, but I do it a lot in the summertime. Even in the rear, really good coverage up to the sides. And I'll show you guys kind of the material and everything. I've been really happy with them. I'll go ahead and bring these inside so you guys can see the design differences and everything up close, and so I'm not out here freezing. So here we are looking at the AAA liner. This is from the passenger side of my truck because it's the cleanest one. I'll show you the Lasfit one here in just one second, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys the design of these up close. So with these, you have a rolled edge, so they keep their form unlike some other mats. And then you can see there's a lip around the entire thing, which is going to help whenever you get in your vehicle with wet shoes, whether you got snow, a dookie, whatever's on your shoes, they stay in the mat and they don't get in your carpet. Or you don't have, carpeted floor mats and then it just gets smushed into that, absorbs into that. This holds it all. You can simply just take it out, rinse it off, or use an air compressor, blow it off. I just use a simple interior cleaner and wipe them down. I don't use any Armor Alls or anything like that on them, and they hold up really well. So I really like the design of them. I like the rolled edge, the enclosed casing. That's just simple and sleek, and it just works. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Lasfit so you guys can see the differences. There you can see the difference is this design that they've went with. I'm almost positive these went through the same factory. They use the same molds. Lasfit just uses a slightly different design on theirs. You can see a little bit of color difference here. I think when I got the AAA liners, they were the same as the Lasfit, but I think just over time, cleaning them and things like that, they've just kind of got a shine to them. They're not slippery or anything like that. They've just got a little color to them, a little color difference to them. But I could be wrong. They could have been a little bit shinier, from the beginning than what the Lasfits are, where it's more of a matte black. And this is like a rubber, but it's also like a plastic to where it holds its shape and it doesn't absorb a whole lot like a lot of the softer rubber mats do. So here, kind of my personal thoughts. The AAA liners is more of like a sleek, simplistic design, and the Lasfit is more of your rugged, off-road type of style. So These, I actually prefer this kind of design. I think it goes well with my my truck. I think both of them are great. I think overall the build, the fit and finish, fantastic. As you guys could see in the previous clip, it sits in that footwell really nicely, encloses that area and protects it. So the Lasfit, as far as coverage, I'm still gonna post up pictures of these and show you guys a clip of these installed. But overall, the coverage is going to be the same. And even if these didn't come from the same factory, they all use the same blueprint or schematics, you know. And so a lot of these liners, whether they're made in the same factory or different factories, they're going to use the same, a lot of them are going to use the same dimensions in order to create these. But honestly, I just think these are from the same factory. They just went with kind of a different print here, which I'm actually kind of digging. This kind of reminds me of a mountain, yet still like tire tread as well. So I thought that was kind of cool. I also measured them. They're the same thickness, but I'll go ahead and show you guys the rest. So looking at the driver's side, you got your 2 pinpoint locations. This is going to lock it into place on the driver's side. It's rolled all the way around and enclosed, so nothing's going to be escaping it or anything like that. Edges are rolled to keep its shape. And then with the back is the same way, rolled all the way around. But the only thing that's not going to have a lip is this side right here. And this is going to be going up against the back of the center console. So this will go up against the seats in the back, and then that'll kind of tuck underneath the front seats. This is the only part that's not, and it'll be pushed up against there. But overall, I'm really liking the design, so I'm going to go ahead and get these put in so you guys can see them in the truck. As far as pricing, the AAA liners usually run right at $100, and the Lasfits are usually on sale around 120 or 130. I do have a discount code for them that brings it down to like 112 or 116 or so. Also keep in mind that Lasfit's always running discount codes. So sometimes you can get 30% off. So you can probably get these for the same price as the AAA liners, if not $15 to $20 more. So it really just depends on your preference on design. But either way, I think you're going to have great coverage, great fitment. Please let me know your guys' thoughts, but let's go ahead and get these installed in the truck. So we got them installed, and sorry, it's 5:30 at night and it is dark already. So I'm going to go ahead and kick the light on so you guys can kind of see a little bit better. Once again, fitment's the same, just a little bit more aggressive or off-road kind of look to it. The back, same fitment, great coverage. There's that spot that I was telling you about. It's tucked right up against the center console. So just like the AAA liners, I think these are going to be a long-lasting, you know, good quality fitment floor mat. So there you can see it snapped into place, no problem. Super easy to install. It took me, 2 minutes to get them installed, and that was because I had to go back inside for the other mat. So it should literally take you a minute to get these installed. So there's the quick look at the Lasfit floor mats compared to the AAA liners. Pretty sure they're made in the same factory, just different mold for the design. Overall, both of them are great options, great pricing for both. I'll take both of these over WeatherTech mats any day of the week. Like I said, you guys can find both of them on Amazon, and then if you guys go to the Lasfit website, I'll have a discount code down in the description for you guys. Also, keep in mind that Lasfit is constantly running discount codes, so as soon as you go to their website, you may find a better discount code. So let me know your guys' thoughts on which design you prefer or which mats you decided to go with. But other than that, I hope you guys found the video helpful, even though they're basically the same mats. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.